Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Eclat premium nail clippers. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet are two Eclat premium nail clippers, and taking a look at the reverse side of the packet. And now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the top of the packet that's keeping it sealed and tipping out the contents, and just setting the packet to the side. So just setting it on the right hand side of the tabletop and arranging the two nail clippers on the table, so you have a complete and clear view of the items from the Eclat Premium Nail Clippers 2-pack. So let's start off by taking a look at this card. So there is a little card here with some warnings in various languages, and it's blank on the reverse side. Just setting that down, and on the left hand side of the table, and moving right along, giving you a look at the two nail clippers in the packet. So you can see one is larger than the other, and they're both individually packaged in a clear plastic packet, and we can see that there is a 1-year warranty sticker on the packets. So the smaller one being the one for fingernails and the larger one for toenails. So let's open the packets up, starting with the smaller packet of the fingernail clipper. So tearing open the packet, and let's do the same with the larger nail clipper. And just setting that packet down and to the side as well. So this time around, giving you a much clearer look at the Eclat Premium Nail Clippers up close and freshly out from their individual packaging. So they are made out of zinc alloy and have a 41-degree cutting angle. And now giving you a much closer in look at the two of the nail clippers of both of them. And of course straight on as well. Right there at the detail of that 41-degree cutting angle. And of course top down as well, so you can see the curve of the blades or cutters. And of course the underside as well, with how the bolt or pin is secured. And of course we see the Eclat branding on the front part of the lever. So let's look at the smaller one first, which is designed for nails. So just setting the larger one down and to the side and just doing some minor adjustments with the tabletop placement, and right here giving you a much closer in look on its own, the Eclat premium nail clipper for fingernails. So you can see the shiny surface or body on the underside and a satin finish for the lever. And let's flip the lever around and we can see that there is a very fine grade file that's built into the underside of that lever, and it does have grooves at the end for better grip, as you can see right there. So overall design, giving you a look at this Eclat premium fingernail clipper from the 2-pack. So once again, just a simple folding down for storage and flipping up, and of course that angle can be changed or turned or swiveled with that lever coming right round 360 degrees. And now let's go ahead and test it. So do have some slightly long nails at the moment, which could do with a trim, and this is where we can test the Eclat nail clipper out. So once we can achieve focus right there, and let's do some trimming. So right there you heard that very sharp snap, and let's try again. And once again very quickly, so providing a very crisp cut to my nails. So I'm just going to do another demonstration with my middle finger right here, and let's try it in a different view. So right there, once again, giving that very effortless cut. And let's try with another finger just very quickly. And just trying to get a bit of grip right there with the cutting edge on my nail. And of course I'm doing this through the LCD of the camcorder, so slightly tricky here. And always making it look a lot harder than it actually is. But there we go, very simple and effortless cutting. And of course with the filing as well, with the very fine grade nail file, we can try and do some filing once we can achieve the camcorder focus on my nail. So right there, struggling a little there with the focus, but eventually you will get there. Maybe not, but there we go. So let's do some very simple filing. Of course, there's plenty of tidying up to do, but just a quick demonstration with the camcorder in the way, but nonetheless. Right there with the fingernail clipper And now let's try and take a look at the toenail clipper first before we can try it out. So right here is the toenail clipper from the pack. So much larger dimensions, but visibly identical in design, with that Eclat badge on the top side of the lever. And let's flip it into its functioning position, so right there, ready to be used. And once again we see that patch of the abrasive fine grade file surface. So once again, slightly tricky to achieve focus with these little items, but nonetheless, right there we go, that detail. Okay, so let's test it out. So once again, zinc alloy construction and spring loaded, as you can see, and with that very sharp 41-degree angle cutter at the front. So let's try it with my thumbnail first, being slightly thick as well. So right here, let's press down on it. It's right there, giving it a crisp, clean, effortless cut. And of course we can do it with the side view as well, hopefully being careful here not to cut myself. So right there, giving you a look at that cutter of the Eclat toenail cutter. And of course, let's try it out on a toenail. So right here is a big toe. Let's apply the cutter right there. And just pressing down, you can see cutting very effortlessly on a reasonably thick toenail. And there we go, once again. And of course, with that fine grade nail file, we can tidy up and round off the edge of the fresh cut. Okay, so right there, once again, the Eclat toenail clipper, closing it down and giving you a look at both of them, the nail clipper and the toenail clipper, fingernail and toenail. And lots of clippings on the tabletop. So that's the Eclat premium nail clippers. Thanks for watching and happy cutting!